Most organization struggles with the project running late, over budget, and it is not aligning with the strategic. Don't worry, the pro consultant is for you. Once we are enter, it will be your PMO services. We have standardized processes, frameworks, tools. Also, we are equipped with business analysis, capacity planning, from project charter to signing off. We have the documents in our repository. We also follow the methodologies of Waterfall, Agile, Scrum, Kanban, Lean, and many more. We also take care of capacity planning, resource management, vendor management, monitoring and scheduling the project. We drive the standardization, visibility, and governance. With us, you can make your project aligned with your strategic business goals. With our services, your team will receiving the transparent insights. Your teams will deliver with discipline. Your investment can focus on your organization growth. Make your investments worthy. Get the dashboards and presentations reports from us. Make your organization to face the next level of challenge. Thank you.